Very important definition, collinear points. What is the meaning of collinear points? See the definition, 3 or more than 3 points are said to be collinear if they lie on the same straight line. This is very important definition. This is very important point. Lie on the same straight line. This is one line. One point A, B, C, D. Outside line. Which points are lying on the same straight line? A, B, C, D. Therefore, A, B, C, D are collinear. This is the meaning. Okay. 3 or more than 3 points. In 10th class, we will discuss about only 3 points. Suppose this is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C. 3 or more than 3 points here are said to be collinear when if they lie on the same straight line. These 3 points are on the same straight line only. That's why these type of points are said to be collinear. This is the meaning English definition. But according to maths, he will give 3 points to you and he will ask you whether they are collinear, whether they are on the same straight line, collinear or on the same straight line, on the same straight line. They will ask you like this also. Check the given points are collinear or not. They will ask you like this. One question he will give. So how? The points are A, B, C. Now we should check by mathematical. How to check by mathematical? The important point you see. Now what you should do, the distance from A to B you should find. Distance of AB and you should find the distance of BC. Distance of BC. Distance of AB from here to here, distance of BC from here to here. You add these two plus. If you add from here to here, from here to here, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. From here to here, totally 7 centimeters. If you add A to B and B to C, your answer should be equal to A to C. Distance of AB plus distance of BC is equal to distance of total AC. If this condition is satisfied, if distance of part plus distance of another part is equal to total distance, then we can say the given points are collinear. Okay. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. Or they lie on the same straight line. Okay. Many formulas are there, but in 10th class only this formula, based on this formula we are doing the problems, and based on one more formula is there. Suppose you see This is the triangle A, B, C. Triangle means some area is here, Babu. This is called area. Some area. Triangle is occupying some area. Our room is there. Our room is occupying some area. But what happened? Seashore. Seas will be there. On that sand will be there. The student prepared one triangle. But what happened means floods came like that. This totally sand came and fall here. Means to previously one area was there. Now area has become slightly like this. Means straight line it is. Means what is the area? Area is 0. Means one more important formula. If area of triangle is equal to 0, then the given points are said to be collinear. This A is what? Vertex. This is vertex. When vertices are given, area of triangle, one formula is there, that I will give the formula afterwards. By using that formula, you should find the area of the triangle. If the answer, after finding the area of the triangle, if your answer is 0, you should say that, sir, the given points are collinear. Next topic is types of triangles based on sides. Okay. So here, based on sides, there are 3 types of triangles. First one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. Triangle. What is the meaning of scalene triangle? Means suppose this is the triangle. We will give the name. This is A. Suppose this is B vertex. This is C vertex. Means what? Scalene means all sides will be different. Length of all sides. Length of all sides will be different. This is okay. Length means what? Means distance. Formula we should use. Distance. Okay. Distance of AB is not equal to distance of BC is not equal to distance of CA. This is the meaning. All sides will be different. Okay. The next is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? This is the triangle A, B, C. Length of any two sides will be same. Means what? Either length of AB will be equal to BC, AB will be equal to BC, or BC will be equal to AC, or AB will be equal to AC. Any two sides will be equal. That is the meaning here. This side will be equal to this side, or this side will be equal to this side, or this side will be equal to this side. That is what isosceles triangle. Simply triangle means like this, shortcut. Next, third one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what? AB means here distance one. Distance of AB is equal to distance of BC. Equilateral triangle means length of all sides will be equal. Means length of all sides will be same. means what? Distance of AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. AB will be equal to BC, BC will be equal to C. In exam, he will give A, B, C. He will ask you whether which type of triangle is this one. So for every problem, you should find the length of AB, distance of AB, distance of BC, distance of CA. If all sides are different, you say that scalene triangle. If any two answers are equal, you say isosceles triangle. If all three sides are equal, you say equilateral triangle. That much. Okay. Next is types of quadrilaterals. What is the meaning of quadrilaterals? 4-line segment diagram. A, B, C, D. 4-line segment is called quadrilateral. Okay. In this, the very important types, what means here? First one, parallelogram. Parallelogram. What is the meaning of parallelogram? Means, okay, these vertices will be given to you. A, B, C, D. In this, what is the condition? Means, first condition is length of opposite sides will be equal. This is the first condition. Second condition, length of diagonals means A to C, this is diagonal, B to D, this is one more diagonal. Length of diagonals will be different. This is the meaning. Means what? Length of opposite sides will be equal means what? AB will be equal to DC. Next is AD will be equal to BC. This is the first condition. Length of diagonals will be different means what? AC will be not equal to BD. This is the meaning. Or diagonals will bisect each other. What is the meaning of bisect? Means midpoint. What is the meaning? Midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. This is the meaning. Midpoint means this is middle point. The middle point of this one, the middle point of this one will be same. If these conditions are satisfied, then we should say that that is nothing but parallelogram. Parallelogram's friend is rectangle. Rectangle's first condition is what? Means same. First condition is same like parallelogram. Length of opposite sides will be equal. Second point is length of diagonals will be different, no? Length of diagonals will be equal. That is AC will be equal to BD. If these two conditions are satisfied, then we should say that A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Next is what means here? Next type is rhombus. What is rhombus means? Again 4-line segment diagram. A, B, C, D. Rhombus means first point, length of all sides will be same, will be equal. What is the meaning of that one? That is AB will be equal to BC will be equal to CD will be equal to DA. This is the first point. Next is second point. What is second point means here? Length of diagonals will be not equal. Will be not equal. Means AC is not equal to BD. Or diagonals will bisect each other. Diagonals will bisect each other. Means what? Midpoint of, that is, the meaning of this one is midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. If these conditions are satisfied, then it is rhombus. Length means distance formula, no need of getting any confusion. Number, next rhombus, after rhombus, square. Square means what? Means here first property same. Length of all sides will be equal. Like rhombus, same. Okay. Second point, length of diagonals will be not equal, here equal. Length of diagonals will be equal. So, in all this, he will give 4 vertices to you, A, B, C, D. He will give to you and he will ask you whether this is, what type of quadrilateral is this. You should check the properties. You should find the distance of AB, distance of BC, distance of CD, distance of DA. If all sides are equal, then you go for diagonals. If diagonals are equal, sides are equal, diagonals are equal, square. All sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, rhombus. Opposite sides are equal, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, then that is parallelogram. That much.